Hi guys. So this is the homework assignment for April 4th to April 10th. Um this is pretty much responses and reflections of Governor Whitmore's town hall meeting that was streamed live. Um Governor Whitmore addressed the education K through 12 um through the COVID-19. We have 1.5 million kids in the state of Michigan. Um, and some of them will get their education online through paper packets and also by phone to make sure that they get their education. She's not sure what she'll do for the fall if COVID-19's still aggressive like it is now and we still have the stay at home order. Um she also stated that there is support so you won't get like a foreclosure notice or an eviction notice if you don't have a job right now because of the COVID-19, because of the stay at home order, and you work in a restaurant or a non essential business. Um, Also, unemployment has been extended from 20 weeks to 39 weeks because of COVID-19. Um, I think Governor Whitmore has done an awesome job so far with putting out the stay at home order. Um, that is unless you have to go out to get food for the house, go to the grocery store, um, go to the gas stations to get gas in your car, get gas tanks filled up. For let's say a lawnmower, you can go and get those filled up. You can go to the pharmacy to get your medication that you need because if you have a prescription that you absolutely positively need to survive, that is an essential way for you to go out and get your prescriptions because it's an essential need. Um that's about it. Thanks guys.